my previous video, I explained about the topic physical quantities and measurement. In this video, I will explain some questions related to this topic. Let us start with the true or false statements. The SI unit of volume is liter. So it is given false. SI unit of volume is cubic meter. It is the correct answer. A measuring beaker of capacity 200 ml can measure only the volume 200 ml of a liquid. True or false? It is true. Centimeter square is a smaller unit of area than meter square. True. We know centimeter is smaller than meter. Therefore, centimeter square is smaller than meter square. Equal volumes of different substances have equal masses. False. Correct statement is equal volumes of two different substances have different masses. Next, the SI unit of density is gram per centimeter cube. It is a false statement, and the correct statement is the SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube, because we know the SI unit of mass is kg and the SI unit of volume is meter cube. Therefore, the SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. Next question. 1 gram per centimeter cube equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube. It is a true statement. Then next, the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. So it is a true statement. The speed 5 meter per second is less than 25 kilometer per second per hour. So it is a true statement. SI unit of speed is meter per second. So that one also true, because SI unit of distance is meter and the time is second. Now fill in the blanks. So in this fill in the blanks, the bold letters is given the answer. So that one bold letters you have to underline. First one is 1 meter cube is 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. There 10 to the power 6 is the underline one. We have to give. The volume of an irregular solid is determined by the method of displacement of a liquid. So displacement of a liquid is the underlined part. The number C, the volume of a cube is equal to one side whole cube supposed to write. One side whole cube. The number D, the area of an irregular lamina is measured by using a graph paper. The area of an irregular lamina. That is, irregular lamina means the body which is not having any particular shape. So that is irregular. So if it is irregular, we have to find the area by using a graph paper. And number E, mass equal to density into volume. So volume is the answer, that is the underlined part. The SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. Then 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube. And 36 kilometer per hour is equal to 10 meter per second. Distance traveled is equal to speed into time. So we know the formula of distance. Distance equal to speed into time. So here it is, speed is given b and the time t is given. Then match the following now. So in the column A it is given volume of a liquid, area of a leaf, SI unit of volume, SI unit of density, SI unit of speed. Column B it is given kilogram per meter cube, then meter cube, graph paper, meter per second, measuring cylinder. So the answer is given below. You can see volume of a liquid, we have to use a measuring cylinder. Area of a leaf, area of leaf, we know it is an irregular shape object. So we have to use a graph paper to measure. Then number C, unit of volume, it is meter cube. SI unit of density, we already know, kilogram per meter cube. SI unit of speed, meter per second. Now select the correct answer. So first one, it is 1 liter is equal to, the correct answer is number 4, 10 meter cube, 10 to the power minus 3. It is 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Then number B, a metallic piece displaces a water of volume 15 ml. The volume of a piece is, answer is 15 centimeter cube, because we know 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So here 15 milliliter will get 15 centimeter cube. A piece of paper is dimensions 1.5 meter into 2 centimeter has area. We'll get the answer is 0.3 meter square. Then the correct relation is M is equal to, that is mass is equal to density into volume, that is D into B. It is there, it is given by, you have to write D into B, density into volume, mass equal to density into volume. The previous answer 0.3 meter square it is given. That how we are getting, that is 20 centimeter, you have to convert into meter, then you have to multiply. Now number E, the density of alcohol is 0.8 gram per centimeter cube. In SI unit it will be, correct answer is 800 kilogram per meter cube. And the density of aluminum is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube, and the brass is 8.4 gram centimeter cube. for the same mass the volume of, then the correct answer will get aluminum will be more than that of brass. Then number G, a block of wood having density 0.8 gram per centimeter cube has a volume 60 centimeter cube. The mass of the block will be, correct answer number 3, that is 48 gram. The correct relation of speed is equal to distance upon time. Then the next answer is 2.5 meter per second. So till this one you have to write in your notebook, and next day we'll give the short and long answers of this chapter. So write all the question and answer in your notebook and learn properly.